Few technologies have attracted more buzz and controversy than blockchain. The past few years have proved that the buzz was warranted, as it has been extremely transformative and booming with new trends and inventions. Blockchain has taken over many industries and will likely continue to transform additional industries in the future. During 2022, spending on blockchain solutions by businesses is forecasted to hit $11.7 billion. With this in mind, here are 4 blockchain trends we think we'll see in 2022. Firstly, the rise of blockchain as a service, or BaaS. It's a new blockchain trend that's already been adopted by several companies and businesses. BaaS is a cloud-based solution that allows customers to collaborate with blockchain to create their digital products. These digital goods might be smart contracts, decentralized applications or dApps, or even other services that don't require the whole blockchain infrastructure to function. With the help of technology, it will be possible to create objects and architectures that will be completely independent and decentralized. The project can be implemented through specially created cloud platforms, thus innovations are quickly introduced into our daily life and are actively developing. Microsoft and Amazon are 2 firms building blockchains that offer a BaaS service, hence influencing the future of blockchain applications. Secondly, social networking problems meet blockchain solutions. Social media has always been an area of debate, as there have been numerous concerns over how well their data and information is managed, and there have been many cases that show not very well, such as well-known scandals and privacy breaches. These concerns will be addressed through the use of blockchain and social media, as it is possible to use blockchain to ensure that all social media material is untraceable and uncopyable, even after it has been deleted. Users will also have more security and control over their data. As a result, combining blockchain with social media will be another emerging technological trend in 2022. Thirdly, interoperability and blockchain networks. The capacity to transfer data and other information across numerous blockchain systems and networks is known as blockchain interoperability. Or more simply put, blockchain interoperability is the communication mechanism between 2 or more blockchains. This feature allows the general public to easily view and access data across many blockchain networks. You can, for example, transmit data from one Ethereum blockchain network to another Ethereum blockchain network. You may be wondering why this is important in the blockchain network. Well, let us try to understand this question by a causal example. When we transfer physical goods across the globe, what do we focus on most? Obviously, the smoothness in transportation. Same thing is required while digital transfer or sharing. The same ability is needed to move a digital asset from one blockchain to another. This process further requires liberty from new intermediaries and markets. Ensuring this freedom is tough, and that's why the process of blockchain interoperability is critical. Lastly, Ethereum 2.0. Let's start with, how does Ethereum 2.0 differ from Ethereum? While Ethereum 1.0 uses a consensus mechanism known as proof of work or POW, Ethereum 2.0 will use a proof of stake POS mechanism. Ethereum 2.0, also known as ETH2 or Serenity, is an upgrade to the Ethereum blockchain. The upgrade aims to enhance the speed, efficiency, and scalability of the Ethereum network, so that it can process more transactions and ease bottlenecks. The transition towards the proof of stakes model for Ethereum is taking a bit longer than expected. It is still unclear when this process will be finalized, but we should be seeing some major movements by Q2 next year. It is supposed to bring lower transaction fees and higher throughput, and also boost the value of all NFTs created on the blockchain. NFTs are already trending on the blockchain and will only increase in popularity. These are the 4 most prevalent trends we expect to see in 2022. Some other trends that are worthy of a mention are the rise of enterprise blockchain, greenifying blockchain, and the use of blockchain in vaccine production, manufacture, and distribution. There are many avenues that blockchain can explore and opens up a wide gap of opportunity for the future. What trends do you think we will see with blockchain in 2022? Let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button so not to miss out on more.